Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying the show here on You Are Free TV today. I wanted to take a moment with my sponsor, C60Evo.com/YAFTV. Use the code YAFTV for 10% off, or you can use the code, it won't get sent to you until you contribute to the channel, but you'll get 15% off and an email with instructions. And I also give 2 bottles away of this every month to people who contribute to the channel because my sponsor, C60Evo.com, is so generous. And so I'm going to bring in the chief scientist over there at C60 Evo because we're doing a little series here on answering fast fact questions. Here we go. Come on in here, Chris.
Free, great to see you. I've got my bottle here. We're so happy to be supporting your channel. So, all right, give me that fast question.
Okay, the question that I find the most fascinating is how does C60, first of all, why is cellular health so important, especially on the cutting edge of epigenetics at this time where we're understanding how important that is? And also, how does C60 Evo specifically promote cellular health, but also subcellular health?
Yeah. So, really, if you just think about everything in our body is made up of cells, right? We have got heart cells, liver cells, kidney cells, and you want those to be functioning optimally. And when they're functioning optimally, you feel really good. Your heart pumps properly, your liver filters properly, your kidneys process urine properly. Like all of these things work really well. The exciting thing about the ESS60 molecule, right? It's actually does work at a subcellular level. And I've got kind of an analogy that I like to draw. Let's we know that this molecule gets into the mitochondria. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of every cell. A lot of people remember that. There's between 50 and 5,000 mitochondria typically in each cell, although our neurons have 2 million. So
Wow.
these are the powerhouses of every cell. So it's obviously really important. No mitochondria, no alive. Like we just die basically instantly if we don't have mitochondria. So we know that this molecule gets into the mitochondria. We know this molecule can hold up to negatively 6 negatively charged particles. And I've got this kind of analogy. When your mitochondria is functioning, it's producing negative byproducts, just like most power sources. Like your car goes down the road, there's exhaust. The way the mitochondria handles that is with two antioxidants called glutathione and melatonin. Now, here's where I like to kind of take this into a Bourbon Street example. Imagine it's the end of Mardi Gras. You're on Bourbon Street, and these drunk reactive oxygen species, those are the negative byproducts that come out of mitochondria, are breaking windows and tearing up cars, and it's up to the police to manage them. Well, the police inside the mitochondria are the glutathione and melatonin. They handcuff themselves to these reactive oxygen species, again, the negative component of the mitochondria that is produced as it's creating energy, and take it off of Bourbon Street. But we know from time to time, different areas of our body can get depleted. And when that happens, when the police run out on Bourbon Street, they actually shove those reactive oxygen species, as drunk as they are, onto, not in this case, but onto this ESS60 molecule. So then it acts as a paddy wagon. And when that mitochondria is later able to replenish the glutathione and the melatonin, they can then come in and handcuff themselves to those reactive oxygen species and get them off of Bourbon Street. So we're talking about having a more efficient power system inside of every cell in your body. That really helps us to explain the head to toe testimonials that we get, on a daily basis.
Wow. I love that. That was just the best explanation. I hope that you found it very helpful too out there. Come back to the show and we'll see you next time.